What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Your boy Jungle Blue. And lately, man, I've been, just scrolling down my timeline on my YouTube channel, and I see it's nothing but like people like they worshiping Mother Nature. It ain't nothing in there. I be a fool, as y'all can see. It just got done raining or whatnot. But I would be a fool to say that, excuse me. But I'd be a fool to say that, the rain god, the water god that made it rain, thank you, water god, it's foolish. It just is like driving a car or a computer. Computer work by itself after the creator made it. Who finna shoot you? Me.